Have you ever felt like adulting is like going non-stop in a game of juggling? And you keep dropping the balls, especially if you're autistic. The world doesn't exactly come with a manual that makes sense. How do you make life actually work for you? Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel, we empower young adult autistics toward independence. Not the kind of independence other people talk about, but the kind you define. Today, I want to talk to you about something practical, real-world advice for autistic independent living. These are things that have made my life easier, saner, and more sustainable. So let's get into it. Number one, automate executive functions. Let's face it, executive function is a huge hurdle. Remembering to pay the bills, make appointments, keep track of to-dos, it's exhausting. So take the pressure off your brain and automate it. Set up auto bill pays, use reminders on your phone or smart devices for meds, laundry, eating. There's no shame in making tech your brain's best friend. It's not laziness, it's strategy. Number two, build routines. Routines aren't just for kids. They're powerful for adults too. Once you get a solid routine going, the daily chaos shrinks. And when your brain knows what's coming next, it doesn't have to spend so much time and energy deciding. Morning routine, evening routine, weekly reset, whatever works for you, find the rhythms that work. The more predictable your world, the calmer your system. Number three, support groups. You don't have to do this alone. Find support groups online or in person. It doesn't have to be a deep emotional sharing fest. It can be over some interest. Look for Discord servers, Facebook groups, or local meetups. Connection matters, and you deserve community. Number four, simplify shopping. Shopping can be an overwhelming sensory and decision-making nightmare, so simplify it. I use the same list every week. It's boring. It's gloriously boring. And it saves me so much mental energy. If you eat the same things, wear the same clothes, use the same brands, you've just made your life simpler. That's not failure. That's efficient. Try ordering online and avoiding the store altogether. Number five, work from home, if you can. If the option is there, working from home can be life-changing. No commute, no noisy office, no unnecessary social rules. It's not always possible for everyone, but if your job allows it or you can build your own gig, it's worth exploring. Your energy matters, and remote work can help you preserve it. Number six, therapy can help. Sometimes we need someone to bounce ideas off of. Sometimes we need a little bit of support, so especially a good therapist that has a specialty in autism. This can help you stay on track, build structure, and support your growth. Therapy doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're working smart with what you have. Number seven, build a support network. Independence doesn't mean doing everything yourself. It means choosing the help you need. You need help with cooking or cleaning or navigating paperwork? That's okay. Build your circle. It doesn't have to be big, just reliable. Find people who fill in your gaps and do the same for them. Number eight, find your strength. What are you really good at? What do you enjoy? Lean into that skill. Your strength might be in deep focus, creativity, pattern recognition, empathy, or problem solving. You don't have to be great at everything. Be great at your thing. Number nine, learn self-advocacy. Independence without communication is just isolation. Self-advocacy means learning to express your needs clearly and confidently. It's okay to ask for accommodations. It's okay to say no. It's okay to say, this is what I need to function well at this time. Your voice matters. So learn to advocate for yourself. Remember, you were born different to make a difference. Take these tools, use what fits, and begin building your version of independence. One that honors you, your needs, your strengths, and your goals. And if you found this helpful, please offer the necessary sacrifices to the algorithmic God, like, comment, and subscribe, and share with someone who perhaps needs to hear it. This is the Independent Autistic reminding you that your independence is possible and worth building.